Introduction to water transport in plants. Water is essential for plant health and growth, playing a critical role in transporting nutrients throughout the plant. This process involves several key mechanisms and structures that work together to ensure that plants receive the necessary nutrients from the soil and distribute them effectively to all parts of the plant. Understanding how plants use water for nutrient transport provides insight into their physiological processes and overall function. Role of water in nutrient uptake. The journey of water and nutrients begins in the soil, where water dissolves essential minerals and nutrients. Plant roots absorb this nutrient-rich water through a process called osmosis. The root cells, with their semi-permeable membranes, allow water to enter while simultaneously taking up dissolved nutrients. This absorption is critical for providing plants with the minerals needed for growth and development. Movement through xylem vessels. Once inside the plant, water and dissolved nutrients are transported through a specialized system of vascular tissues. The xylem vessels are responsible for moving water and nutrients from the roots to the rest of the plant. Water travels upward through these hollow, tube-like structures due to capillary action, cohesion, water molecules sticking to each other, and adhesion, water molecules sticking to the walls of the xylem vessels. Transpiration and water loss. Transpiration, the process by which water evaporates from the leaves through tiny openings called stomata, plays a vital role in nutrient transport. As water evaporates from the leaf surface, it creates a negative pressure that pulls more water up from the roots through the xylem vessels. This movement not only helps in the transport of nutrients but also aids in cooling the plant and maintaining turgor pressure, which supports plant structure. Nutrient transport in phloem. While the xylem is primarily responsible for transporting water and minerals, the phloem is the vascular tissue that transports organic nutrients, mainly sugars, produced through photosynthesis. The phloem vessels move these nutrients from the leaves, where they are synthesized, to other parts of the plant, such as roots, stems, and growing tissues. This process, known as translocation, ensures that all parts of the plant receive the energy and resources needed for growth. Role of root pressure. Root pressure, generated by the active transport of ions into the root xylem, contributes to the upward movement of water and nutrients. This pressure can push water and dissolved nutrients up through the plant when transpiration rates are low. Although root pressure is less significant compared to transpiration, it still plays a role in maintaining water and nutrient flow, especially in certain conditions or plant species. Nutrient redistribution and storage. In addition to transporting nutrients, plants also have mechanisms to redistribute and store nutrients. For example, excess nutrients can be stored in roots or leaves and mobilized when needed. This redistribution helps plants adapt to varying nutrient availability and ensures that they can sustain growth during periods of limited nutrient supply. Impact of water availability. The availability of water in the soil directly affects nutrient transport and overall plant health. Insufficient water can lead to reduced nutrient uptake and transport, resulting in poor plant growth and development. Conversely, excessive water can lead to nutrient leaching and reduced nutrient availability. Proper water management is crucial for maintaining healthy plant systems and optimizing nutrient transport. Conclusion. Water is a fundamental component in the transport of nutrients within plants. Through a combination of root absorption, xylem transport, transpiration, and phloem translocation, plants efficiently move water and nutrients to where they are needed. Understanding these processes highlights the importance of water in plant health and underscores the delicate balance required for optimal growth and nutrient management.